Hello everybody, today's video we are going to be putting on the side stripes on the 150, so I hope you enjoy. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to mark with masking tape a guideline from here to there on the front because that's where they sit. Just going to spray some soapy water on, just a wee mist. Then I'm going to wipe it a wee bit with a clean cloth just because I think that's a wee bit too much. So thanks for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. This was a lot of fun this morning. I think it looks fantastic for £25. I mean, I think it totally transforms the look of the motor, goes with the wheels. I think it just looks brilliant. So I hope that you enjoyed watching, or if you're watching to learn, then I hope that it helps you do it to your own car. Yes, so this is just a wee mid-week video. We'll get onto the big engine swap stuff at the weekend, so I'll see you at the weekend. Thanks for watching, see you later.